Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I want to share a very simple Facebook ads tactic that you can use to see where your conversions are coming from. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. I'm already in one of my Facebook ads manager. So if you're running conversion campaigns, and you have automatic placement selected, how do you know where your conversions are coming from? Are they coming from Facebook, mobile, or desktop? Are they coming from Instagram or stories? Well, it's actually very easy to find out. First of all, let me show you where would you select that automatic placement. So typically at the ad set level, which is the level number 2, what you may have is, let me show you, let's scroll down. So at the placement level, so we have automatic placement, which is the recommended options. And a lot of people select this, which is fine, which is cool. But how do you know once you have this selected, this means your ads are being shown on placements like Facebook newsfeed, Instagram stories. But then how do you know where are you getting your results from? Where are you getting your conversions from? What placement is working the best? So it's actually very easy to check that out. So for example, we're going to take an example of this campaign. It's an active campaign running, it's a conversion, or actually it's a messaging campaign. So we're driving people to send us messages on this Facebook page. So as you can see, we're looking at data for, let's say, last 30 days. That's fine. So we got 25 messages, and then automatic placement is set. And now to see where those conversions or these messages are coming from, there's a section here called breakdown, and not a lot of people use this. I don't know why, but it's very, very helpful. So you want to go inside delivery, and then, let me go back and scroll down and look for placement. So when you click on this, and boom, now let's go back right here for a second. Let me go back. There you go. So this campaign right here, let me resize this. So you can see most 19 out of 25 of our messages, or you can say leads, came from Facebook newsfeed on the mobile. 4 came from Facebook Marketplace on the mobile app, and then a couple came from stories, and none from Instagram, which makes sense because this page actually does not have a lot of presence on Instagram. So you see how helpful this data can be, because you can really find out what placement is driving the most conversions, the most leads, or the biggest bang for your buck. And in some cases, you can actually go back and eliminate the other placements and just focus on the one that's driving you the most results or the best results. So this section, the breakdown, it's very, very helpful if you really want to see, and like the name says, you're breaking down your results and really seeing where the action is coming from. So if I go back and let me clear this, and there are other options there as well. So let me go back in there. I can also see impressions, region, country. So if you were targeting different countries, you can see what country is driving you the most results. You can also see what gender, male or female, and also the age range. That also can be really, really helpful. We are targeting like a broad range, but when I break down my results by age and gender, I'm able to see where most of my results are coming from. So 35 to 44, male and female. 10 conversions came from there. And then 45 to 54. And this makes a lot of sense because we are targeting like business owners and homeowners in this campaign. So we don't have a lot of conversions from 18 to 24, only one that came from there. So the section breakdown, which is inside your ads manager, and let me show you it to you again. So inside breakdown, you want to click on delivery, and then you can break down your results by placements, platform, age, gender. There's so many other options that you can look into. So you see how very simple way you can really look at the results or the conversion that you're getting from your Facebook ad campaigns, and then figure out what placement is driving you the most results, what placement is working the best for your campaigns and your business. If you have any questions related to Facebook ads, you know what to do. Leave those questions below in the comments, and also before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I am going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.